Boom. Jordan 4.
Bro, these look so good, man. Oh my gosh. I can't wait for the real ones to actually come out, man. Whew. Right here, the leather. Nike on the soles. I know it looks worn, but that's how the shoe actually is. It's brand new unworn. Nike. Another angle of the soles. Right here, off-white, Nike zip tie. Man, the shoe is so detailed. I know these are UA, but if I ever wore these in person, I don't think anybody will be able to tell that these are not authentic. Air Jordan, Nike at the back. So this is what it's gonna look like on feet. Can you guys spot any differences between these and the real ones? Anything so far? Nothing? Anything? Any noticeable differences between these and the real ones? Leave a comment down below, please. So yeah, what are your thoughts on these? These look pretty damn legit. I'm not sure when the real ones are coming out, but for now, I had to get a pair of these. So I'll leave a link down below where I actually got these Jordan 4 Off-White Breds from. And if you guys have any questions, you can leave me a comment down below or contact me on any social media platform, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I'll leave a link down in the description below as well. And I'm out. Peace.